So despite having left my kit at home, I fortunately have a kit that I always carry in my bike, a survival kit that's always in my bike. There I also had a multi-tool and a knife, and without any hassles I was able to get that from my kit and to cover for the loss or the lack of bringing along the stuff that I had. But it still left me with a problem of the petrol. Fortunately, I've got the ability to send cash to myself, so from my account I send cash to myself, and then on my way home I just drew the cash from the machine, and then after drawing the cash from the machine I managed to fill up my bike. So that was the option that I used to resolve that issue. So after all in all, having been able or lucky enough to ride into a fairly big storm, when I arrived home I was wet, but fairly well pleased with myself that despite all the challenges that I often half created myself, but the challenges that was given to me on the day, I actually managed to salvage the day and get home safe without any issues.